Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so children, firstly we will revise the weekly learning. Okay, सबसे पहले हम weekly learning करते हैं. So let's start. So children, tell me, shape of the week is circle. CIRCLE, circle. Shape of the week is circle. This is the shape of circle. Okay. Next one, color of the week. Color of the week is pink. PINK, pink. Color of the week is pink. Okay, children. Color of the week is pink. This is pink color. Next one, fruit of the week. Fruit of the week is dragon fruit. Okay, DRAGON, dragon, FRUIT, fruit. Dragon fruit. Fruit of the week is dragon fruit. This is the dragon fruit. Okay, this one, dragon fruit. Next one, word of the week. Word of the week is school. SCHOOL, school. Word of the week is school. Next one, month of the year. Month of the year is September. SEPTEMBER, September. Month of the year is September. Next one, sentence of the week. Sentence of the week is I go to school daily. Okay, I go to school daily. It means मैं रोज स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school daily. Got it? Sentence of the week is I go to school daily. Got it? So children, this is your weekly learning. Now let's start our study. Okay? So UKG class, this is your English period. So take out your English notebook. Okay? Take out your English notebook. So we were doing the sentences. Okay? हम क्या कर रहे थे? Sentences. Okay? Read and write. So today we are going to do in notebook. Okay? We will write some sentences and draw their picture. Okay? So let's start. Firstly, you have to write the day and date. Okay? Today's day is Friday. 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 This is your class work. So mention here. And the date is 17/9/21. Okay? So topic name is read and write the sentences. 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 Read and write the sentences. Okay children, you have to firstly read. सबसे पहले आपको reading करनी है. Then you have to write this. Okay, आपको sentence को लिखना है. Got it? So let's start. Number 1. Use only cursive writing. Use only cursive writing. Okay children? THE, the. BUS, bus. IS is RED, red. Full stop. Okay, sentence के last में full stop. The bus is red. Okay children, the bus is red. So you have to draw a bus also. And children, you have to repeat at least 2 times. Here and here. Okay, the bus is red. Like this. 1 time sketch pen and 2 times with pencil. THE, the. Okay children. BUS, bus. IS is, speak and write always. Okay. RED, red. Full stop. Got it children? You have to do like this. Okay. First line with the sketch pen. Write down with the sketch pen, and second and third line with pencil. Okay. Again. THE, the. BUS, bus. IS is RED, red. Full stop. Got it children? Speak and write. It is for your writing practice also. Okay children? आपकी writing की भी practice होगी. And use only cursive writing. Okay? And speak and write. The bus is red. Now You have to draw picture also. The bus is red means bus लाल है. It means bus का रंग लाल है. So you have to draw a bus like this. You have to take help with book. Okay. Here it is a red bus. So you have to draw this red bus in your notebook also. Okay, children. You have to draw like this. Okay, you have to draw a bus and fill the color with red sketch, red color. Okay, so now second sentence is number 2, children. Number 2 is THIS. This IS is only cursive writing, children. Capital and small cursive writing. This is a BAT, bat, full stop. Okay, this is a bat. Now repeat 2 times with pencil. THIS. This IS is a BAT, bat, full stop. Again, THIS. This IS is a BAT, bat, full stop. Okay, this is a bat. So now you have to draw a bat here. Here, this is a bat. Okay, this is a bat. Okay, children, and fill the color also. Next sentence is number 3. SAM, Sam. It is a name. Okay, Sam. HAS, has. RED, red. BAG, bag, full stop. Sam has a red bag. Okay, children. Now repeat 2 times. SAM, Sam. HAS, has. RED, red. BAG, bag, full stop. Okay, okay, children, repeat 2 times. Now you have to draw a red bag here. Okay, how? So look at here. It is a red bag. Okay, children. Bag. Here it is. It is a cut, and this is a zip also. Okay. Red bag. Got it, children? You can take help with the book. Okay. This is a red bag. You have to draw also from here. Okay. So Sam has a red bag. Next sentence is, come to the next page, children. Here, number 4. Sentence is, a rat, RAT, rat. IS is IN, THE, the. HUT, hut. Okay, a rat is in the hut. एक rat hut में है. Okay, a rat is in the hut. Repeat 2 times. A RAT, rat. IS is IN, THE, the. HUT, hut. Okay, one more time. Got it, children? A rat is in the hut. एक rat hut में है. So now you have to draw the picture. Here it is the picture, children. Here, a rat is in the hut. So you have to draw this picture. This is the hut. Draw a small hut. And in the hut, a rat. छोटा सा चूहा बना दीजिए. Okay. Okay, a hut. Okay, children, so like this you have to do. Now the next sentence is number 5. Number 5 is next sentence is the, bun, bun, is hot. Okay, children, the bun is hot. Okay, the, bun, bun. Repeat 2 times. Got it, children? The bun is hot. Bun गर्म है. So you have to draw the bun like this. This is a bun. Okay, this one. Cross it. And this is the smoke. धुआं निकल रहा है. Okay, that is the smoke. And it is a plate. Okay. You can draw from book. Okay, आप बुक से बना सकते हो. बन. Okay, the bun is hot. बन गर्म है. Okay, so children, UKG class, you have to do like this. This is your written work today. You have to do by yourself and do your work neat and clean and draw the picture by yourself and fill the color also. Okay, so 5 sentences you have to repeat at least 2 times. Okay, आपको जो sentences है 2 times repeat करना है. Okay, it is for your practice. Okay, so that's enough for today, children. Thank you so much.